Today, we are going to unbox and review the GameSir T3 Lite, also known as the GameSir Tegenaria. I'm just going to say it right up front. This might be the best controller for what it costs. First off, the unboxing is super underwhelming. It comes in a simple white packet, and inside you just get the controller, a manual, and a warranty card. Nothing else. But honestly, when you hold the controller for the first time, you completely forget about the unboxing. Because for just $20, this controller feels way more premium than that. I think the perfect way to describe it is this. If you've ever used the 8BitDo Ultimate 2C, it's kind of like that controller, but wired and with much better vibration. It feels super solid in the hand, and the finishing just doesn't feel like a $20 controller. I wasn't able to buy the gray one, but the white color is very good looking too. You really have to hold it in your hand to know what I'm talking about. It can easily compete with much more expensive controllers. Let's talk hardware. You are getting Hall effect thumbsticks and a 1000 Hz polling rate. The thumbsticks are super smooth. Now, the triggers are not Hall effect, but they are still incredibly responsive. The buttons feel very well made across the board. I will admit, the D-pad isn't quite as good as the 8BitDo Ultimate 2C, but it's really not bad. The back buttons line up absolutely perfectly with your middle fingers, making them super natural to use. But one of the best features of this controller, and GameSir controllers in general, is the ability to change colors and turn off the indication light on the front. The 8BitDo Ultimate 2C had really bright indication light that always stayed on, and it completely ruined the ability to play in the dark because it was just right in your face. With this controller, not only can you turn it completely off, but you can also adjust the brightness to exactly what you want. Overall, I'd say this is the best wired controller on the market. Not just for $20, but even for a higher budget. If you want a controller that costs less than this, don't. Just get this one. And even if your budget is higher, this is a really high quality controller for what it costs. If you want a wired controller specifically, this one should be on top of your list. Now, let's try out some games.
Shoryuken! Tatsumaki! Shoryuken! Tatsumaki! Shoryuken! Tatsumaki! Shoryuken! Tatsumaki! Shoryuken!
Spinning bird kick! Spinning bird kick!
Block kick! Block kick! Block kick! Perfect! Sonic!